NGL Inbox Not Working. What you can do. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, first of all, go to the Play Store application and make sure that your NGL app on your device is updated to its latest version. So as you can see, it is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm just going to tap on open. And it will lead you to the home screen of the application. Now make sure that you're logged into your account. Now what you can do here is you can just go to the settings over here and then tap on settings, and you can tap on I need help section, and so here you can just create an email and ask for help from the NGL support team. Next, what you can do is just go back and tap on the settings of the device, and then scroll down to applications, then tap on manage apps. Now here you just need to tap on the NGL app on your device. So just search for the application on your device. I'm gonna scroll down and find the NGL app. Now tap on clear data, then clear cache, tap on OK. Then tap on app permissions. Make sure that you have given access to your files and media over here. Now go back and see your NGL application. The issue must be solved by now. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.